If you saw a video of the Premiere Deluxe Suite at the Hyatt Regency O'Hare, we also got a connecting room that is 918. They're all part of the big atrium. You can see, oh God, you can see the check-in there. It's pretty quiet at the hotel. All right. So 918 is a connecting room. Coming in, there's the bathroom. Beautiful marble counter. And a tub with a shower. A little bit cramped, but it's just for one night. All right. The room is a double queen. The TV is almost bigger than the beds, I'd say. This is, look, it's big. There's a desk area. All right, and balcony. This balcony doesn't have any furniture on it, but it still gives you a good view. Okay, one chair. All right. The connecting door to the deluxe suite is here. We're still waiting for them to unlock that door. Okay. So this is the connecting room to our suite 918, connecting to 916. Okay, thank you for watching.